welcome to the Core Maths presentation. Core Maths is a relatively new qualification set up 4 to 5 years ago with the aim to bridge the mathematical gap between GCSE and A-level.
So why should you study Core Maths? All the topics that we do within Core Maths are relevant to real life, and they interleave with different subjects that you can study at A-level and onto university. Universities asked for a topic like this so that they can bridge those gaps to help you with any research units that you might do within your university life.
So what will you be studying in Core Maths? We make all the topics as relevant to real life as we possibly can. So we'll be doing lots of work on financial mathematics, looking at things like income tax, interest rates, how to apply for a mortgage, and what your student loan would be if you went to university. We also look at statistics and modelling in the real world and use of technology such as spreadsheets and formulas. We'll also be looking at risk and probability within businesses, and an exciting new part of the curriculum this year is the real life projects that you'll undertake, with one being on Dragon's Den and one looking at risk in the business world.
Over the next couple of slides, I'm going to show you some example work that students have done in the past. So this first one is very relevant to the area around here, and we're looking at estimations to think about how much revenue would be got in a year over the Dunham Bridge. Things like this will be looked at in the business world and obviously in this example to see where things would go and where things would progress. Another example is by combining spreadsheets and salaries, student loans, and thinking about budgeting your money to help you when you leave university and when you get a job and looking into becoming into the adult world.
So what have our students said about the Core Maths syllabus? Well, many students are really impressed that the Core Maths links with mathematics in their everyday life. They find it more useful than the maths they've done at GCSE because it's relevant and they'll be using it after they leave school or university. And it also increases the confidence due to the fact that many lessons are discussion based and working within groups.
So your entry requirements to be able to get onto the course. All we ask is that you have a grade 4 in GCSE maths. The reason why we ask for this is because a lot of the topics that we do build upon that GCSE knowledge that you already have. So making sure that you have the fundamental basics is really helpful when you want to progress and when you want to build upon these. A good understanding of basic arithmetic and algebra is definitely. Again, this is something that you will do and progress upon in the course. A logical mind and hard work and grit is definitely needed. You need to make sure that you are committed to the course and that it's something that you really want to do.
Thank you for listening, guys. If you require any further information on Core Maths, please contact the Academy.